Welcome to another exciting Arduino project. Today we're diving into the world of home security with an intruder alarm using Arduino. This project demonstrates how you can build a functional intruder alarm system using simple yet powerful components. In this video, we'll take you through how some brilliant students from Leenabot brought this project to life. Whether you're a beginner in electronics or a seasoned Arduino enthusiast, this project showcases the endless possibilities of combining creativity and technology. So stay tuned as we explore how this innovative alarm system works and how you can build one yourself.
Hi, today we will make a new project named Window Guard. This project will give us a warning when an intruder tries to open our window from outside. To do this project, we will use an Arduino Uno with a data cable, a buzzer, this is an active buzzer, a few jumper wires, an avoidance sensor module, and a battery. I have used this battery pack with a connector, but you can use any other battery or power bank which is compatible to the Arduino Uno. This is our code. Pin number 2 is declared as the sensor pin and pin number 11 declared as buzzer pin. In the setup function, we have declared the input and output pins. In the loop function, we will read the digital value of the sensor pin and store that in this variable called sensor state. You can also see the value of sensor state in the serial monitor after 100 millisecond delay. Sensor state is low, buzzer pin will remain low, and when sensor pin is high, the buzzer pin will also be high. The sensor that we are using here is an avoidance sensor. The sensor is built in such a way that when there is something in front of the sensor, the output is 0, and when there is nothing in front of the sensor, the output is 1. So when the output is 0, that means the window is closed. So this is the code. Now you can upload it to your Arduino. This is the circuit. The buzzer is connected to pin number 11. The sensor's ground pin is connected to ground. The positive pin, the plus pin, is connected to VCC, and the output pin is connected to pin number 2 of the Arduino. You can see that there are 2 variable ports in the module. By varying these variable ports, you can receive the maximum sensitivity of the sensor. You have to adjust both of these ports in such a way that the S LED is turned off when there is nothing in front of the sensor, and it will be turned on as soon as it detects any obstacle. The sensor has detected an obstacle now, so you can see the S LED is glowing now. Now it has again turned off. Turn on, turn off.
And that wraps up this amazing Arduino project, the intruder alarm using Arduino. A huge shout out to the talented students from Leenabot for their incredible effort and creativity. We hope you found this project both inspiring and informative. If you're excited to start building your own Arduino-powered alarm system or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future Arduino projects and tutorials. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends to spread the passion for technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.